What's up, guys? We are back with another everything's regular auto auction update, man. We are back at the auction sites, man. We got a lot of stuff sold, so it's time to get in here and revamp for the new year, see what we can get for a deal, man. There's a lot of people not spending as much money as they've been spending. That's the main reason we haven't been getting cars from the public auction. But with that being said, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got a few cars on the list here today, so let's check them out with your boy. Come on. Got a little Dodge Caravan here with a few thousand miles. A little Impala. And I'm skipping over the stuff that we know we're not gonna buy, but this like Chevy right here is pretty nice. It's got a new flywheel and starter, bad trans. So you guys know you're gonna be able to get this thing for like super cheap. I know you guys are, I got some G-body people. We can check it out though. It's a 1985 Chevy Caprice. Take a quick look at the inside. It actually does look pretty fair. You got an aftermarket steering wheel. Everything up here looks to be intact and original for the most part. Interior is pretty fair. I mean, it's a 1985, guys, so it's not brand new. It's actually older than me, a lot older than me. 11 years, well, 9 years older than me. But pretty cool little box Chevy car. It's in really good condition, man. What do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Then we got an X6 here, but bad motor. The motor is frozen at seized up at 85,000 miles, and that's why you don't get an X6 BMW. I don't care if it's a 2012 or not. I gotta show my girl this because she freaking want an X6 so bad, and I just keep telling her that these things are literally junk. But I mean, it's clean in here. If you can fix it and throw another motor in here, it may be good to go, because you're gonna get it here for like literally crumbs today. So if you can take it and LS swap it and make it a nice project, then that's something. But other than that, gonna leave it where it is. All right, so we done made it inside, y'all. We got a cool little Hyundai right here. This one is from Texas. 125,000 miles on this one, cold AC. I'm not sure the year. I don't have the paper. It's a 2000 Hyundai Elantra. 125,000 miles. We can take a quick look at the inside. Like it is pretty dark in here, guys, but the interior and everything is pretty fair. You may be able to get this thing for really cheap. So with the mileage and the body work and everything on there, we'll keep our eye on this one. Does seem like a pretty fair little ride, a little gas saver. So I don't know, what do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We got a Chevy Impala here, a newer Chevy Impala. I believe it's got 58,000 miles on it. They said it smokes. It's a 2016. It's a pretty decent looking car. However, it does smoke. So you guys, I don't know if you guys want to take a chance on that, but your guess is as good as mine. I'm probably gonna pass. I don't want anything that's smoking or anything like that. I mean, at least they told you, because a lot of the auctions, they wouldn't even tell you that it was smoking or not. But we do got a little tequila kick right there, no big deal. Does seem like a pretty cool car overall. However, it does got some engine damage or whatever you want to call it. But I mean, the engine bay and everything looks cool under here, but not when it's smoking. So I don't know, what do you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, we got a 2012 Kia Optima. This one says they have a new dealer engine and starter. Wow, this one must have been under warranty or something at 138,000 miles. I don't know why they would get a new motor on a 138,000 mile car, but we can check it out while it's right here in front of us. Check this thing out. They didn't shine this thing up. Got everything looking literally brand new in here. Armor rod down to a T. Like, I ain't even seen I've never seen an engine bay this clean before. So being that it's got a new engine and starter, this wouldn't be something to bid on. Seems pretty legit. We can take a quick look at the inside. It's got some leather, gray interior. Everything up here seems to be intact and in order. It's already smogged and everything, so that's a plus. I don't know, pretty decent little whip though. What do you guys think about the Kia Optima with 138,000 miles, man, let your boy know in the comments below. We don't want the Benz. We don't want the Volvo with a blown head gasket. We don't want the Honda with a salvage rebuilt title. It's a cool little Ford, but it's got 139,000 miles. Pretty cool little Ford. We can check out the inside of it really quick and see what's good. Kind of smells like gasoline, but I don't know if that's just from being in this little garage that they have here or what. But I mean, I guess it's a pretty decent car just by the way that door closed, though. That tells me this thing is a little bit raggedy. At 140,000 miles for this Ford in particular, me personally, I think I'm gonna pass. But if you can get a good deal, hey, why not? Alrighty, guys, we got a 15 Ford Focus here, 51,000 miles on the dash. Pretty cool little car. This is probably the cleanest car they have up here today. Does look really good body-wise. 2016. We can take a quick look at the inside. It's got cloth interior, no rips or tears or anything like that. I know it's hard to see, guys. I'm sorry, but what you want me to do? I could turn on my flash, but it's just not gonna look the same. But I mean, you guys get the idea. There's really nothing that stands out with this car. You may be able to get it pretty decent at a pretty decent price because it's got 51,000 miles, and then the other cars that's around it is literally like broken down. So we'll see what happens when this thing comes to the auction. Then we don't want the Nissan with a salvage title. Good on that one. We got a Chevy Equinox here, 63,000 miles, got a low tire in the back. But if we take a look around it, it is a 2013. Pretty decent little ride. We can open up the door real quick and just see. It is cleaned up really, really nice. Seats and everything is intact. A pretty cool little small SUV. I mean, you know, nothing that really stands out to me, but if you need something to get around with some kids or something, or you know, just something a little bit bigger than a regular car, this will definitely be the one for you. At 63,000 miles, I think this might be a pretty decent ride. So we'll keep our eye on this, and it is already smog. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. We got a 2011 Nissan Juke. This one, actually, they just replaced the radiator. New radiator, 147,000, 6-speed stick shift. Good on the stick shift. They got a little Honda here, 2007 Honda CR-V truck. Inside is leather, kind of really stinks at 294,000 miles. They done drove this thing literally all across the country, guys. So I'm actually gonna have to pass on this Honda with that many miles. So I don't know, we'll see. Alrighty, guys, we got a 13 Nissan Versa here, 111,000 miles. Pretty cool little blue car. I mean, they definitely got it repainted. So who's to say what was really wrong with it initially? You guys can see the top and stuff. They definitely had it painted, but inside, I mean, I don't know why all these cars like smell like just like dirty. I don't know. Got a fresh paint on there, but the thing smells like super dirty. So I don't know if they did the paint work here. I'm sure they threw the hubcaps and everything on as well. Yeah, this side was definitely the damaged side. Yeah, I'm good on that one. I'm gonna pass. Got a little Nissan here, 2017. Look like a little Nissan. Oh my God. Yeah, nah. I'm gonna just go ahead and skip over this, dog. I ain't about to even waste y'all time. This little Sonic seemed pretty cool. Nice 2012 Sonic. Looks like 55,000 miles. This will probably be one of the more decent Sonic cars here today, as they don't really have too many options. But we can pop the hood and look underneath. It does look pretty decent under there, pretty clean, actually really clean. But seems like a pretty decent ride. I actually wouldn't mind grabbing this if we can get it for a really good price, because the inside is really nice looking, the mileage is really low, and you can throw this thing right on Turo and start making some money back. $30-$40 a day. Hey, that adds up, man. So it's better than nothing. I'm digging this one. This one's probably my favorite one at the auction today, but we'll see what happens, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we'll just start with the non-runners. and stuff that we're not gonna buy. Everything over here is pretty much crashed, doesn't run. It's pretty much ready for the junkyard. But gotta show you because it's right here. Bad motor on that one. Got a little motor home. I got a little boat. You can check the boat out. I don't know what year boat this is, but interior's gonna need to be redone, and it's got spider webs. Motor's not even good, I'm sure. Got a Z28 LT, no transmission, 127,000 miles. You can put it back together, but it's not worth it to me. But yeah, they got a few cars here, guys. Just walk with me and we'll check it out. This Beamer's got a bad fuel pump. This Malibu's got a bad motor, bad compression or whatever, bad timing belt, no key on the GS Lexus. All of this stuff is pretty much junk on the outside, but they do have a bunch of cars on the inside. So I'm just running through these real quick with you, just so we can get these out the way. Bad motor and everything. This is now the cars are starting to run and drive truck. I already got a truck, don't need that. Code AC on this little Beamer truck. $200 for that key. The hood is faded. I don't know how many miles and stuff it got. Definitely was a young person's car. It was smoking dope in here. Got the full panoramic roof or whatever. I don't know, they say it runs and drives, but me personally, I'm not like a foreign guy when it comes to the auction buying, and definitely not with 190 on the dash. That's exactly what I was looking for, so gonna be cool on that. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what was your favorite ride at the auction today, man. If you haven't already, please do so right now. We got a few cars on the list. You guys know which ones I like, so stay tuned and we'll check out the auction and see if we can maybe score something at a deal or something. Who knows, man? But be sure to tune in tomorrow, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.